In this video, we will discuss using the timed flush on a CP5i control pad. Start by pressing the Options menu button. Next, select the flush menu. To adjust the flush timing, press the Adjustment function button. Use the up and down arrows to change the time. The flush time will adjust in 5-second increments. To save the new time, press and hold the preset you would like to program. The control pad will beep and the displayed preset time will update to reflect the new setting. Press the Adjustment function button to exit the adjustment mode. To flush your tubings, begin by removing any handpieces that are attached to the handpiece tubings. Lift any tubings you wish to flush from their hanger and point them into a cup or bucket to collect the water. Then press the desired flush time. Water will run through the tubings until the timer reaches 0 and the touchpad beeps. When the flush is finished, return the tubings to their respective hangers. To stop a flush that is currently running, press the soft key a second time. When a flush is restarted, the timer will start again from the saved preset time. Setting the timer to 0 will program the preset as a stopwatch function. The flush will run until the soft key is pressed a second time. Pressing the stopwatch function again after it has been stopped will start the timer back at 0. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.